Hi, I'm Wally, a professional home comfort specialist. I want to talk to you today about why you might strongly consider getting a maintenance agreement for your heating and air conditioning system. You know, when you have a car, you change the oil on a regular basis. When a technician comes out on your heating system, they're going to check the gas pressures, the flame sensors, they're going to check the electronics, they're going to check the thermostat, they're going to make sure the system is working properly. They're also going to inspect the heat exchanger. Now, the heat exchanger is the heart of your heating system, and if it ever cracks, it can lead to carbon monoxide leaks that can be very damaging and hurtful, obviously, to your family. So you want to make sure you're having that system inspected once a year, and also be changing the filter once a month or so, depending on the environment where you live. But that annual inspection can be crucial to maintaining efficiency and maintaining the life of your system. Same thing is true with your air conditioning system, right? The pressures and the refrigerant lines, these things have to be inspected on an ongoing basis. The coils have to be cleaned to make sure you're getting plenty of air across that to help the air conditioning system work. Oftentimes, people will neglect the routine maintenance on these systems because they think they're going to last 20 years. You just turn them on and let them go. The reality is you need annual maintenance on both your heating system and on your air conditioning system. Now, most contractors will offer a service whereby they come once in the fall to do your heating system and then again once in the spring to make sure your air conditioning system is working. Another thing to strongly consider is extended warranties on your heating and air conditioning system. These extended warranties typically require that the equipment is maintained on a routine basis. So if you've got a really good warranty, maybe a 10-year extended parts and labor, I've seen companies that have a lifetime replacement warranty. But it all requires that you have the system maintained on a regular basis, right? Obviously, they can't honor the warranties if you're not cleaning and maintaining the system. So annual service contracts are a very inexpensive and a very effective way to make sure you get the routine maintenance, right? You go into a company system and oftentimes, usually they'll notify you that it's time for a furnace tune-up or an air conditioning checkup. These ongoing maintenance agreements are critically important to maintain the safety of your equipment, the efficiency of your equipment, and most of all, the long life of your heating and air conditioning system.